Yo, what's up everyone? Today I'm going to be showing you how to do every single quest apart from Dragon and Thin Ice because they're too hard. Now first, in this you'll need 3 pistons and 1 hinge. That is, no, 2 hinges in total. Now first one, the cloud. So first you need to grab your seat and grab your 2 hinges. Put 1 here and 1 here. So right up against the edge. Delete the bottom one. Make sure you have anchored block off. If this is not off, then this will not work. Delete this bottom one. Delete the seat. This should, but if it doesn't, you do not have anchored up. And now hold W. Jump to move about. This will be used tons in today's recording. Just climb up holding W. These hinges only cost 50, sure you need 100 gold and a few pistons in this video. That is only, the pistons are only for one quest, so you don't fully need them, but from the money that you get from all the other quests you should be able to buy them. There you go. Yeah, you just have to go up and touch the cloud. So, next quest. Target. Let's do the target one. Absolutely the same. You just grab your seat. Make sure unanchored block is off. Get your 2 hinges, put 1 there, 1 there. Delete the bottom one. Put that there. Climb up. I'm just doing one of these quests, you should have enough for the pistons. But then there you go. So the next one is Find Me. So Find Me is a decent, a bit harder one. What you do is click that. Get that one. Then there'll be one up in the sky, so if you build up with some blocks, doesn't matter what ones you have, jump over. Oh. Grab it. The next one will be on the side up, on the left side. Just build your way up. Then click on the thing. The next one will be a decently hard one. It'll be up on top of the flag, but make sure your anchor block's off. Get your 2 hinges. There's 1 there, 1 there. Delete bottom one. Get that on. And climb up. Up to the top of the flag. Click that on. Then the next one from here, go across here. Go all the way across. This one's gone a little bit easier than before, because all you have to do is go here. So make sure you haven't launched, just delete the hinge. And there we go. That is it. So the next one, soccer. So soccer is a reasonable easy one. This is the one that you need those 3 pistons, and make sure you have a button as well. I think the button you can buy it in the shop. Yeah, only 50 gold. But from all these other quests you should have enough for it. So first come over to here. And line up with right here. Go 3 away. 1, 2, 3. Build up 3. Put up 2. And grab 3 pistons. 1, 2, button, put that there. Make sure you have anchored block off. Just keep that off for the rest of the video. Click the button. That should extend and push this. This will take a little while to get over there. Be patient. You can delete all of that. You don't need that anymore. And then, there we go. So next one. The ramp. Make sure you're not in this area. You want to be over here, because otherwise you will die to the lava. Like that. Now come over here to the ladder. This one will be like any of the other ones. Make sure anchor block is off for this. So place down your seat, sit in it, get your hinge out, place it right here in between your crutch. Delete the bottom hinge, delete the chair, turn around. It will help if you're in first person. So now, hold S while looking in front of you this way, because otherwise it will not take you down. Then go into the ring, like that, and then you go. So the final one. Final one is, this is a harder one, but you use a much better one. So grab 4 ice, 1, 2, 3, 4. It will make your head bigger, it doesn't really matter. So now grab a hinge to right here. It will try to blow you up, it's just the worst. You don't put one here, it will break that, just make sure you put that back. So now get out 2 glue, you will get some from the Find Me quest. And you have to launch, otherwise it does not work. Jump is W to go forward and space to go up. To ride through all of the things until you get to the end. It may do really weird stuff, but as long as you get to the end, it's alright. Yeah, so it will do stuff like that, but as long as you get to the end, it doesn't matter. You can delete one of these outer ones, so this does not happen, but it doesn't fully matter. So as long as you can delete one of those, then it'll be much easier. Yeah. I did try this before and it did not do that, but there is a chance it does that. I'll quickly redo it just for you guys. Let me please reset the quest. Yep. So if that did not work for you, and you still didn't do this quest, if you just put one there, one there, one there, get 1 hinge. Do this back one maybe. Get your hinge, get your glue. Get this from the Find Me quest. Then if you launch, you want to quickly get through this as quick as possible. It may do weird stuff, but it is a mystery. I'll click on both of those blue. Jump off. Then you're here. Then you run over to the chest and you'll complete the quest. Yeah, you'll die because of this, as you cannot, but as long as you get to the chest and go in front of it, you see the chest is completed, the quest is completed. So that's all of these ones done. I will do another video about the dragon and thin ice, but that is it. They are harder quests. So I'll tell you next time. Bye.